you're having a good weekend or weekday. Today I'm going to be focusing on some Blackberry products and also give you a little sneak peek into my mom's Blackberry bush that I harvested a lot of blackberries from, and just a few facts there. So kind of a themed video today. I am going to show you some clips of my mom's garden, and then I am going to do something interesting with my hair. So I got a couple products. One is a leave-in conditioning, styling, and elixir that is created from blackberries, and the other is I'm going to do some hair paint on my hair, which is a really cool option to put color in your hair and you can completely wash it out and nothing will stay. So I'm really excited about this, and that is kind of blackberry colored. So let's get started. This next clip is me in my mom's garden picking blackberries and giving you a few facts.
And here is a blackberry flower. So these are gonna turn into berries soon. And this is the Prime Arc 45 Primocane Blackberry. It's an early and heavy producer, and erect canes make it easy to pick these firm midnight blackberries. Look at all the blackberries we picked.
Okay, well, hopefully you learned something there. I have really been enjoying blackberries this season. They're pretty much done at this point. That time that I picked was pretty much the last week of blackberry picking, but I am super excited today to use a few products. So I'm gonna start with this 2-Chick Repairing Leave-In Conditioning and Styling Elixir, and it is made from blackberries and coconut milk. It is color safe, it is vegan, cruelty-free, and infused with natural botanical ingredients. So there's also no sulfates, PEGs, parabens, mineral oil, propylene glycol. So long story short, it's made from good stuff and the bad stuff is not in here. So I've been using this for a couple weeks and I really like it. If you are looking for soft, touchable hair, if you're not looking for a highly manicured look and you just want clean, soft hair, this is a really cool elixir. I noticed that if I'm going for lots of volume and that type of thing, I won't use this. I'll probably use like a sea salt spray. But if I'm looking for soft and clean hair, this makes your hair really touchable and really soft, and it makes your hair feel healthy. So I'm gonna just take one squeeze on that nozzle there. That's all I'm gonna use. You can certainly use too much. Most of you that are watching my channel have short hair, so I would suggest only one unless you have really thick hair. So I'm just gonna basically distribute this through my hair, and it really does smell like blackberries and coconut. It is a very nice, gentle smell, and you can tell that it's not a fake smell. It's actually of real ingredients. So y'all, I am on a 4-day weekend. It is glorious. It is wonderful. I took Friday off and tomorrow, which is Monday. So I kind of stacked the 2 days off around a weekend. It's been nice letting all the static leave my head from work and just kind of getting a nice little break. I haven't gotten really any time off this summer. So yeah, it's nice, and I've been sleeping a lot and just piddling around the house and enjoying the time off. And also, I think tomorrow we're gonna be going kayaking, my husband and I. So we've got a kayak. We haven't taken it out this year. We live right by a lake and we're really excited about it. We're gonna pack a little lunch and we're gonna have a nice day. It is very hot, so we'll probably leave in the morning and try to get back before noon. Okay, so this next product I'm gonna use is the feature of today's video. This is called Hair Paint Wax. I got this on Amazon, and this particular color, it looks kind of like blackberries, and that's exactly why I got this color, because I wanted a blackberry shade on my hair. And my goal with this is to completely cover my hair with it. So you don't want to use too much, and you want your hair wet too. I tried this out on dry hair and it is very pretty, but I think it'll distribute a lot better on wet hair. Okay, so here we go. It's very shiny. Matches my shirt, but it's very shiny, and I think that the key is you don't want to use too much, because think of this as a hair product. You wouldn't want to glop the whole thing out and just, it's gonna be kind of gross. I'm gonna use about that much. You have to make sure your hair is wet, by the way. So I'm going to kind of rub my hands in it, and I'm gonna start distributing this through my hair. I want to get the sides and the back too, so I'm getting a little bit more. You might want to have a washcloth handy to make sure that you get any off your skin, and I'm not doing a great job there. Now I want to get the back too, so getting a bunch for the back. put a little bit up here towards the crown of my head. Okay, so I think the next step here, I'm pretty happy with how it's gone on my hair. I'm gonna take a look at the back to make sure I'm happy with the color. So I'm noticing some spots right here that's not quite perfect, so I'm gonna just put a little over here, and I'll put a little on this side as well. Honestly, this is pretty impressive to get this kind of color, and I like it. I've always wanted to go a bright color like this just for fun, but then, you know, you're stuck with it. Not that it's a bad thing. I love color in my hair, but I've never been quite brave enough to go like a darker pink, like a fuchsia like this. So I'm gonna just comb my hair out. Maybe just another tad right here. All right, I have no clue how this is gonna be when I blow dry it, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna take my blow dryer next and blow dry this hair. Oh my gosh, guys, this is impressive. I had not tried putting this on wet hair until now, and it is just impressive, the color that this turned out. I think it's beautiful, and I'm excited to wear this for a couple days. I did a conditioner review, which is like a color review of conditioner, and that took a couple days to wash out, but this is certainly an option if you're looking for any type of like color change. If you want to see if a color might work on you, they had a lot of different shades on Amazon, so if you're looking to try one out, this might be a fun like going out. I know it's a pandemic right now, so not a lot of people are going out, but like kind of going out and doing something kind of wild with your hair, or if you just want to see how a color might look on you. I think this was like $10, so it's not a big deal. It's pretty amazing how much volume came out of this. It really puffed up my hair. I know it wasn't this, because when I just used this alone, it did not do like this, but I can also tell there's something on my hair, so it's kind of got a little bit of a weird feel, which is fine because I now have a different color hair, but I really like it. I'm gonna really enjoy this, and I hope you did too. So yeah, if you want to try this out, it's on Amazon. I will put a link in the description, and really fun. I think I might even get on and get some other colors just because they're so fun. Well, thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed watching me at my Blackberry bush, talking about my mom's Blackberries, using a couple Blackberry products, and really this is the finishing touches. Like, I don't even think I need to put anything else on here. I might maybe do a quick spray, but I'm pretty happy with it. So thank you for joining me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you, and I will talk to you next week. Bye!